Alrighty guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Tesla. Now, for those of you that don't know, Tesla is announcing their Q1 earnings for 2021 tomorrow, April 26th. So there's been a lot of people that are saying that this is going to be a good thing for the company, and then there's going to be a lot of people saying that this is a terrible thing for the company, and the company is going to miss the earnings. So there's a couple of things that pretty much everybody needs to know before they invest in Tesla and everything like that. So now, what is my overall opinion on Tesla? Well, I always think it depends on your time frame. If you guys are a long-term investor, you honestly should not care about all these earnings. You shouldn't care about all this volatility. What you should do, dollar cost average this, use the volatility of Tesla to your advantage. So, yes, tomorrow, if we get a crazy amount of sell-off, having this stock fall all the way back down to 600, if you're a long-term investor, that shouldn't matter. If anything, you should be averaging into your position so you can get a good average price for the long term. Okay, that would be fantastic. If you're a trader, on the other hand, a day trader, swing trader, on the other hand, yeah, you should be paying attention to this company. Let's look at a couple of the previous earnings here. You guys can see we had this one. So during that day, we did get a little bit of sell-off here just for that single day. And then the next couple of days, we did get more sell-off, right? Okay, looking at this one, we did get some sell-off that single day. And then within a couple of weeks, if not a month, we got more buying pressure. Looking at this one, the couple days following the earnings, we did get some sell-off. So this company does tend to sell off a little bit on earnings day. Now, I do think that there's a lot more buyers in general with this company because we have a beautiful upward trend. And honestly, with the sell-off, that's just given the market condition we're in. You know, I think that there's still a lot of hype and a lot of momentum around Tesla. And I think with the earnings, this is going to be a really, really interesting one because a lot of analysts are thinking that this could either swing the stock up 7% or down 7%. Either way, I'm a long-term investor. I'm not even going to trade this one on earnings because it's pretty much going to be a 50-50 bet. If anything, right now, it does have some overall resistance here at around 750. Which I would like to see a breakout of that before I would even hop in it for some sort of trade. On top of that, does have some overall support near around 650. So I think that's pretty interesting here too, because if we do get some sell-off, it would probably come down to about that 680 to 650 mark and then probably start getting some buying pressure entering it. But it all depends on your time frame. Like I said, I'm a huge bull on Tesla. I think Tesla does carry a lot of long and short-term potential given the market conditions. You know, I know we had a lot of people saying that Tesla's doomed. Tesla's going to continue to sell off back down to $300 or $400, and no one's ever going to make any money in this thing ever again. And that's honestly not the case. Tesla is one of the fastest growing electric vehicle companies, and I really think that this earnings can kind of either push the stock up back to the highs or probably slam it back down to this 200 moving average line. Either way, I'm super excited because I'm a Tesla investor, and it would be nice to see the stock hit, highs again, just to see my account balance go up a little bit. But honestly, I would probably rather see this stock go back down to 700. If not 550, because then I could just average down my position. But that's kind of my overall thought process on this earnings coming up. I think it's pretty much a gamble if you guys are going to trade it. If you guys are going to invest in it, use the volatility of Tesla to your advantage. Like I said, if it sells off, average down. If it goes up, it does have previous tendencies to get sell-offs on earnings day. And yes, Tesla does have a good earnings report in the history. So looking at their previous earnings, we did have a beat earnings, beat earnings, beat earnings, beat earnings. So my guess would be Tesla will beat their earnings for tomorrow, and we'll probably have some sort of volatility of the stock, whether it does go up or down. But honestly, if you're going to trade it, it's going to be a 50-50 guess. Long-term investor, use the volatility. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. That's pretty much my thought process right now on Tesla. If you have any questions, concerns, ask them down in the comments, and we'll see you later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there, okay? And if you guys want to learn more about investing in the market, check out my course. You guys can use promo code DIVIDENDS to get 50% off. We talk about fundamental technical analysis, how to find undervalued stock. We talk about it all. So we'll see you later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Take care.